green through recycling or changing your light bulbs to combat fluorescence. But what if your home was entirely green from top to bottom?
That means a home whose materials are environmentally sound and whose systems leave little to no carbon footprint. A 2,000 square foot home in Durham, 1,500 on the ground floor, the main living area, and 500 upstairs, gets pretty close to being green in the extreme.
Melissa McCullough knew what she wanted, the most energy-efficient, toxin-free home possible, and it seems she's got it.
People come in here for a green home and I talk about, well, this is formaldehyde-free. Many times the first response is, most of it has formaldehyde in it, and is formaldehyde bad?
The EPA scientist is now on a mission to educate fellow homebuyers about going green to benefit the environment and, she says, ourselves. Her 2,000 square foot home achieves that in many surprising ways.
Bamboo is a rapidly renewable resource, actually a grass, and harder than maple. This is a product called 3-Form, and it's made from recycled soda bottle plastic.
McCullough had plenty of help, an architect with a vision, one that makes the ground floor seem like a part of the woods.
Depending on how it's designed, it can feel a lot larger than it really is. When you walk around Melissa's home, it doesn't feel like 1,500 square feet because there's nice views, the spaces open up.
And a builder willing to tackle the unusual demands of a house that may seem extreme, but whose individual parts make a lot of economic sense.
The difficult part, I think, was getting the subcontractors to go along with the plan, and finding people that were willing to work with a straw house doing an HVAC system was difficult.
A long list of special details makes McCullough's home the perfect, well, greenhouse. There are solar panels to heat the water, which radiates through the concrete flooring, reducing the need for heating. Photovoltaic panels make electricity, which is sold directly to her local utility through the NC Green Power program. She then buys it back at less than half the price. The exterior walls are made from sturdy 8-inch thick wheat straw panels. The straw provides insulation and is naturally treated to be fire and pest resistant.
Look at it, it's not a straw house. I say, yes, this is my truth window, and this is it.
Lighting fixtures use compact fluorescent bulbs and are sealed, eliminating the loss of interior air. Natural skylights and light sensors increase efficiency, as do the Energy Star rated appliances. The counters and steps are made from bamboo. The cabinets, Pure Bond plywood. Doors are made from compressed wheat, as sturdy and stylish as cherry. All the paints, caulks, and adhesives are toxic compound free. And a special insulation called Icinene makes the home airtight.
So this is blown by water, and it expands to fill all the spaces.
Effective, so when she has to downsize, McCullough can do it without leaving home.
So the master bedroom, the living spaces, or the utilitarian areas are on the first floor. The second floor has teenagers' rooms, hangout rooms, so when her kids move out to go off to college, she can seal off the upper floor and just live on the first floor.
As she enjoys substantial savings, her energy system should pay for themselves within 7 to 10 years. McCullough won't have to do much maintenance. The roof and exterior lime stucco could last a lifetime.
And the outside of the property utilizes xeriscaping, just a fancy way of saying it uses very little water.
There is a rain barrel to handle what little watering is required. Welcome news during the Triangle's current drought, but make no mistake, this home is built for any conditions, but especially for those that demand a green answer.
I love my job. It's wonderful to be able to look back and say, I did that. It's very rewarding. And I think it'll make the world a better place for my children.
All right, now to the cost. At about $200 per square foot, McCullough's home is in the mid to upper range of custom home prices, but unlike most custom homes, all of the extras here will pay for themselves in 7 to 10 years.
That's really impressive. That takes going green to a whole different level. Now, you mentioned that it was difficult to find subcontractors, but when you hear a straw house,
when you hear a straw house, I know.
It begs the whole
Right,
joke
you're
of the big
thinking
bad wolf.
A big old wolf out there huffing and puffing. But the AgriBoard, that's the 8-inch thick wheat press straw panels, they have been blast tested. So in severe weather, you're as safe as you are with brick, and you can huff and puff all you want. This is a sturdy house. So if you'd like to find out more about the builder or architect, or find out about making your current home greener, just head to our website, NBC17.com. Use the keywords Go Green.
It's pricey, but it pays off, and it looks wonderful.
It does pay off. Well, next Thursday, we'll show you some simple ways to go green in your existing home, which could save you big bucks on your utility bills. That's next Thursday on NBC 17 News at 7.
Looking forward to it.